Always wanted to learn pen and ink but didn't know where to start? It's easier than you think. In this tutorial, I will teach you step by step how to draw, pen in, and colorize with watercolor paint this adorable country chicken. Nestled in amongst the flowers, a lovely brown hen is waiting to come alive with your touch. This video is suitable for all levels, even those with zero drawing ability. With 9 basic paint colors, 5 brushes, and 1 pen, you'll learn how to shade, create texture, and produce interesting contours in pen that enhance any drawing. Discover the beauty of pen and ink and how you can create lovely, effortless illustrations with character. In just under 2 hours, you'll be hooked on this fun and portable medium. Hi, I'm Crystal Beshara, and welcome to Country Chicken in Pen and Ink,